Hey guys, welcome to our room. Come on in. First thing you're going to see is Christian Cole custom-made dining table. Amazing piece, 8-seater. To your left, you've got a Venetian plastered floor and an amazing piece from Art Lovers.
Oh, I like that artwork.
Yeah, that is cool. Maybe a little bit too high.
I like that painting. It's beautiful, isn't it? Lovely.
You have a double-sided fireplace. We did the fireplace here to zone off the two areas. And then here you've got a beautiful featured wall, a lovely couch from Trit House.
I think the styling is really nice. As in, I reckon they've done a decent job. Like, look at the coffee tables, how slick they are.
Yeah.
You got your 75-inch TV. We really we put up two big walls as well just to block the sun. Then you've got a lovely little bookshelf here too. We've created two zones, but it's open living at its best.
I didn't quite understand, so the judges are saying that there's this huge space here, and it should have been the living room here with the TV there. So they're saying the TV should be there with your back to that.
Even if they swap it over, I don't know how you swap it over. How do you swap it over? Where do you have your lounge? If you swap it over?
I think they're talking about maybe putting the lounge here and then the telly on that wall, but then it cuts off your flow out the door. It's just a really strange layout.
Yeah.
And that's our room. See you guys.